Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder so big it makes your tummy tingle? Have you ever wondered what's out there, beyond the twinkling stars and the sliver of the moon? On the tallest hill in the town of Serenity, a little girl named Celeste would ask herself those very questions every night. She wasn't like other children who chased fireflies. She spent her evenings with her trusty telescope, Twinkle. One night, as Celeste peered through Twinkle's lens, something was wrong. Orion's belt was winking erratically, and the Big Dipper was doing a jittery dance. The stars were flickering wildly. Celeste knew something was deeply amiss. Suddenly, a massive, shimmering shadow drifted into her view. So vast, it seemed to fill the sky. It was a whale, but not one of water. This whale was made of sparkling, swirling gas and tiny, glittering rocks. Its eyes were like twin moons, soft and knowing. "Hello, little stargazer," rumbled the creature in a sound that was less a voice and more a feeling. "My apologies for the flickering. My friends, the glitches, have been especially playful tonight." Celeste, though stunned, was also brave. She'd always wanted to meet a space whale. You're Stardust," she exclaimed, "and the glitches are what's making the stars jump." Stardust sighed a long cosmic sigh. "Indeed. They are marvelous little things, but they get carried away. You see, the cosmos needs a rhythm. Every star and planet must spin and shine just so. But the glitches see a straight line and want to make it a wiggle. They find the orderly dance of the cosmos a bit too boring." He gestured with a fin, and a cascade of tiny, glowing particles, the glitches, danced around his head, zipping from star to star and leaving a trail of wonky, twinkling light. The stars now jittered and jounced like popcorn in a pan. "What if we showed them the beauty of order?" Celeste suggested, her mind already racing. "Maybe they don't know why the rhythm is so important. We can show them that creating something with purpose can be even more fun than just causing chaos." Stardust's luminous eyes widened. "An excellent idea! But how would we do that?" Celeste looked through Twinkle. "We can create a new constellation," she declared. "One that shows how every point of light connects perfectly to another. We will show them that a straight line and a perfect circle can be just as beautiful as a wiggle." Together, they set to work. Celeste, through her telescope, acted as the master designer, directing Stardust and his immense fins. Stardust, with his gentle nudges, corralled the tiny glitches. "Glitches, watch!" Celeste shouted. "Watch how we connect the dots. Now we create." They guided a handful of glitches to form a perfect glowing triangle. The glitches buzzed, mesmerized. They had never seen their random winks turn into something so intentional. Then, they connected those points to form a perfect square. And from the square, they built a star-spangled house with a little chimney, a tiny cosmic home that glowed with purpose. The glitches, for the first time, stopped their wild dancing. They saw how the straight lines created a sense of purpose and strength. They saw how the angles fit together to build something new. The cosmos, instead of being a jumble of random flickers, was becoming a canvas for creation. The other stars, seeing the new constellation form, began to settle back into their proper rhythms, their light steady and bright once more. When the last glitch had taken its place, a new constellation shone in the night sky, the Storiella house. It was a testament to the fact that even the most chaotic parts of the universe can find a place in a beautiful, orderly design. Stardust smiled. Thank you, Celeste. You've taught my little friends a very big lesson. You've shown them that creating something beautiful requires both imagination and a little bit of discipline. Celeste smiled back, her heart full. Every time she looked at the Storiella house, she would remember her cosmic adventure. As the sun began to rise, Stardust began to fade, a ghostly wisp of light against the growing dawn. Remember, he whispered, every step you take, every choice you make, help you find your own unique courage. And that's the end of this adventure. But a new one is always just around the corner. Subscribe to Storiella so you don't miss it.